Do you remember our conversation on exponents in relation to passwords? In this video, you will be the judge. You will make a judgment by evaluating a statement. There are 95 possible characters that you use for a password, but let's round up the possible characters to 100 to simplify the example. Now, how many password combinations can be generated with a password composed of 12 characters? So you multiply 100 11 times itself. Or 100 to the 12th power. That is a possible 1 septillion password possibilities. 24 zeros following the number 1. Now there are over 1 million words in the English language. What if you use a combination of 4 words as a password? Decide if this is a good or bad idea. In other words, each password will have more possible combinations, making it stronger. It just turns out both offer a similar amount of protection. So what if you create a 5-word password instead? The number may be drastically bigger or smaller depending on your sources. What if you added 2 additional languages such as Spanish or French? In this example, we have 10 to the power of A divided by 10 to the power of B. So using a concrete example, 10 to the 5th power divided by 10 to the 3rd power is equal to 10 to the 2nd power, or 10 squared. Practice dividing exponents as their importance will grow. See the description below or how to download the free workbook.